Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This week I've been out and about speaking to people on the Isle of Wight and asking them what's it like living on the Isle of Wight, what's good and what's bad, and this is what I found out.
I love living on the Isle of Wight for the peace, the tranquility and the beauty of the place. And the people that live here, I find them very friendly. Unlike cities where I've come from, originally London, people haven't got time for you. Everyone's on a rush. Here we walk, we don't run. That's about it in a nutshell.
Oh shit, I'm in the back.
Some of the people are alright.
Yeah? Good. And what don't you like about living on the Isle of Wight?
Everything else.
Everything else. Anything specific that you don't like about living on the Isle of Wight?
Small, nothing to do. You walk around and you see kids and trees. He's going to die.
What's good about living on the Isle of Wight?
There's a lot of trees to climb. It's a big place.
On the plus side, there's loads of food, so you can eat a lot and get fat.
I like sort of the community we've got going on. A lot of people know everyone around here, so it's sort of like nothing really bad happens because everyone sort of knows everyone, and like if you're ever in trouble, there's always places to go and people to see. And it's all just very tight knit.
Yeah,
I like that a lot.
I say the Isle of Wight is a lovely place to live. It's okay as long as you don't want to leave it to get anywhere or to come back on again afterwards, because you're always chasing a ferry and it's so expensive. So that's what I would say.
I like the countryside and the walks that are around, and I feel like we have access to a beach whenever we want.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And what about you?
I like all the walks around.
It's a really nice place to grow up because obviously there's beaches and there's like Blackdown Chine and Robin Hill, and there's just lots of things to do when you're a kid. I think that's the main thing, and it's sort of just, obviously I haven't lived in like big cities, but I'd much prefer to live here like near the beach than like grow up in London, I'd say.
Yeah.
Anywhere like that.
What do you like about living on the Isle of Wight?
Plants. I like living on the Isle of Wight. It's because it's fun.
I think it's nice that we have the countryside, the beaches. It's nice weather sometimes. That's about it really.
Yeah.
There's not many shops, that's all I can really think of.
Yeah.
And I think it's a great place to bring up kids. I really do, up until a certain age.
Yeah.
When they're about 18, 19, I think it's time for them to move off.
Yeah.
And then I think when people retire, they come back again. I've had like 9 children and they've all been born here. They're all still here. Got grandbabies coming by the loads.
Cool.
But I think it's lovely here.
What's your favourite thing about living on the Isle of Wight? One of the good things.
It's a lot calmer. You go to London and you just want to get back to the Isle of Wight and have a good bath, because it's like you're carrying heavy stuff all back with you from going to the mainland. I think that's about it really.
I love the beaches on the Isle of Wight because they're cool. They have waves and sand and stuff.
It's a lot more quiet compared to the mainland.
Chilled out.
Yeah, pretty chilled out compared to Southampton.
If I'm honest, like all can I say trampy kids that like walk around smoking and like, you know, the stuff outside McDonald's and stuff, all that's it's not nice for the island, I don't think, in my opinion.
However, it does get a bit boring because there's not much. You know, like you miss out on some things that you could do in more popular places. A bit like on the mainland, like you miss out on places like big theme parks and all that. Because here we've only got a couple of little things like Robin Hill and Blackdown Chine. That's all I can think about really.
I guess we're really disconnected from the rest of the UK and like things that's going on there, so a lot of our views and things like that are very sort of narrow-minded, but hopefully that'll change soon. I like the idea of having more people come to the Isle of Wight and sort of like, you know, diversify the culture.
Yeah. And what's bad about living on the Isle of Wight?
Everything costs money.
What don't you like about it?
Seclusion for young people around.
Segregation.
Segregation.
Yeah, from the mainland, you have to take the boat, boat's expensive. That's the only thing I don't like about it, but the rest of it's much better.
Is there anything you don't like about it?
Well, it's nice growing up here, but there's not much to do once you've grown up. So like after sixth form or anything, there's sort of like, you either go to the beach or you go to Newport, but there's no like big shopping centres or nightclubs like we've only got Fever, so it's not the best place to like you can grow up here, but then after that you probably want to move on and then come back when you're a bit older.
Is there anything you don't like about living in Isle of Wight?
I don't like going on the buses because it's boring. Sometimes people litter and it's not very nice because animals can get affected and animals are nice. So.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you live on the Isle of Wight, let me know what it's like for you living on the Isle of Wight. And then, as always, click or tap here to subscribe, or click or tap here to watch another video. I make new videos every week helping you live your life to the full and thrive. So I'll see you very soon.
Everything changes.